Before you start using a light microscope to observe specimens, it is very useful to know the parts of the microscope. Let's start with the eyepiece. This is the piece that you're going to look down to view your specimen. Following that, we can see the arm. The arm connects to the base of the microscope, and the arm and the base together are used to carry the microscope. Then we have the rack stop. The rack stop is an adjustment that determines how close the objective lens can get to the slide. This is set at the factory settings, so you're not going to need to adjust this. Next we have the stage. The stage is the platform on which you'll put your slide. It has two stage clips that can be used to hold the slide in place. Underneath the stage you will find a condenser, which is used to focus or concentrate light onto your specimen. It is often used in conjunction with a diaphragm. The diaphragm controls the amount of light reaching the specimen. And the light you can see is underneath the stage. Don't forget to turn it on if you're using the microscope. It makes it a lot easier to see your specimens. And the light is on top of the base, which along with the arm is used to support and carry the microscope. Now back up at the top we can see the nose piece, and this is the structure that holds the objective lenses, often 3 or 4, and this can be rotated so that you can choose which objective lens to use. The power or magnification of the objective lenses you have will be specific to your microscope, but they are most often ×4, ×10, ×40 or ×100. You'll need to look at your microscope to identify the power of each objective lens. Now when focusing your microscope to view your specimen, you always start with the lowest power objective lens first, and you always focus using the coarse focus first. After your specimen is visible with the coarse focus, you can make adjustments using the fine focus. You may then choose to use a more powerful objective lens and continue to focus using the fine focus. As you do so, be mindful of how close the stage moves the slide towards the objective lens, and make sure that the objective lens never touches the slide.